The new CQ6, really excited about that.
Yeah, I'm stored at my mum's house.
The winner is...
Hello everybody, we are here in Melbourne, Victoria. Today we are launching the Fox ESS Battery CQ6. Let's check out what's happening inside. The best part about these batteries is it can go up until 48 kilowatt on a 3-phase property, so that you can claim the battery STCs on a full scale.
The team at OSW has been fantastic for supporting us. I heard there was a launch for the new CQ6, and look at it, it's actually enormous.
We love the Fox batteries, as you're well aware. 90-95% of our sales are the Fox batteries now. We absolutely love them.
Whoever can create the most creative painting is going to walk home with 30 kilowatt CQ6 system.
Are you going to win? Definitely.
I'm going to win. I need this battery. My bills are too high and I need help.
Do you like my painting? I think you've done a splendid job with this.
That's not yours. Go back and do your own.
I think everyone's doing pretty good. I've seen a couple of favorites already.
If I don't win this as the only woman painting, that's a disgrace on me. It was a very tough choice